Holy shrimp, that's epic!
It's reaction time!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Silverreploid CLE. How are you guys doing, YouTube? That's right. The Silverreploid coming at you live looking fresh in the flesh on the net, streaming on stream. Welcome back to another reaction video. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to welcome back SMG4 from his SMG4 tour. I hope it was a blast. Man, it would be a great time if I came there because, well, unfortunately, I was working on my SFM project, which reminds me, by the way, the SFM project is fully complete. Everything got rendered, everything got compiled and rendered together. Everything is all set and complete. But there's this one mission. You guys want to see it real quick? There's this one mission you have to complete. Head to my channel, go to the community tab, and head to that post where I talk about it, where it'll be ready if we get like 70 likes or something like that. But anyway, guys, that's coming up very soon. I'm finally glad I'm done with SFM animation project for this month, because that's how long it almost took me to carry out this animation with SFM. I love SFM, but anyway, guys, let's get to this video. This is SMG4, the comeback of SMG4, with a new video called Mario Goes to the Fridge to Get a Glass of Milk. Now, I wonder, does this resemble that Got Milk commercial that featured Mario when he was playing Super Mario Bros. 64, and of course, he came to the refrigerator? I love that commercial, I really do. But anyway, guys, before we commence the reaction, you know what to do. Now that we're back with SMG4, make sure you take a minute to pause the video real quick and subscribe to SMG4, the Hobbit Bros, and the Awesome Mario. As always, I'm going to add those channels in usual areas: DCO, description, comments, and the outro. And with that said, let us go ahead and roll this clip. Welcoming back SMG4 once again, and we shall see how it goes. Roll clip now. Oh yeah. Mario's house. Eating spaghetti. There's Mario eating spaghetti. Whoa! He killed that plate. Hey. His refrigerator is empty. You're on a mission to get some milk for the grocery store. There's Toadsworth. Whoa! Oh. That same quote he used from If Mario Was in Splatoon. It's Shroom Kid. I mean Shroomy. I always get that mixed. Wow. Yeah, I always get that mixed up. Sorry about that, guys. How did he get his head chomped, by the way? Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh. Wait a minute. Toad? Uh-oh. A war of getting calcium. Uh-oh. And... oh! Ouch. That one was explosive? Uh-oh. Whoa, boy. Donkey Kong? A security guard. Ouch! Find another grocery store, obviously. Toadette. Oh, snap. Ooh. Uh-oh. It's Luigi. Is that the milkman? Moo moo milk. Makes sense. Whoa! They're chasing after him. Put the pedal to the middle, Luigi. Oh my. You know, it occurs to me that it's crazy how SpongeBob fishes have own names, certain names, like just a random thought, but uh-oh. Whoa. Oh. A grappling hook. Okay. Or should I say toadling hook? Oh! Toad's not having a good time. Oh my goodness. Oh man, I missed this stuff. Whoa. All the milk flew out. Ouch. And of course, they're doomed.
Do you have any?
Oh man. I feel for Luigi. Salmonella guarantee. What? Don't trust that milk then.
Just walk into any store, avoid security cameras.
I don't like milk with salmonella. Huh.
Mamma mia.
Working for milk? Huh. So that's the company, the manufacturer. Kind of grotesque, but yeah. What can you do? Robin. Oh. Dang. Nope. Guns equals no milk in this establishment. Whoa. A milk factory. Milk goes good with anything though. Cereal, brownies, cookies, cake, pie, you name it. Uh-oh. Whoa! What the? Milk soldiers? Oh. Oh my god. Milk cartons. Jeeves. I remember him now. Wait, is he actually the manager of this place? There's a con to it, is there? Wait, it's a trap, is it? Uh-oh. Whoa. Since you got that, you better get the heck out of that factory. Run out of there, guys. Whoa. I'll bet that's Sonic gun. That's a... Oh man. Luigi, get out of there. Luigi box. Limited time offer. Oh. Oh boy. Oh! The P-switch! Uh-oh! Oh! Oh! Gosh! Oh no! Ouch! Oh man! They're doomed. Whoa. Uh-oh. There's Steve. Hey, Steve. Dang. I'm not even gonna question. Look at all those cows. I can't believe he hurt me. Wait, what the? That's one powerful truck that can fly. How are you gonna get milk in this predicament? Uh-oh. Oh, God, no. He got gunned! I wouldn't do that if I were you, partner. Thanks. Oh my god, look at Toad. Poor guy. Huh. What? Must be a friendly one. I'll bet Mario's not gonna have a good time with these cows. Nope, I knew it. That one can generate cow, huh? Strange. Uh-oh. He's gonna end up kicking him in the face. Or not. Oh! Oh! Cow sirens. Oh! They must have ate a police car siren. Sunset? Nighttime? Oh, dinner.
Let's go.
What's that?
No.
Hmm.
Okay.
Wait, what the? Oh man. Oh. Oh no. They hadn't made a single modicum, have they? Uh-oh. Oh. Dang. Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, hell no.
Uh-oh. What the? Yeah, say what is right. What the heck is... Demon cow? Oh boy. Ooh. So they're not just cows, they can actually kick somebody's rump. Uh-oh. Oh dear. What? Cartons versus cows. Oh my goodness. Ouch. It looks like the cows are winning. What? What is Toothbrush doing with this situation right here? Oh. Oh. I'm surprised he managed to get towed free. What the? He's fishing for trouble, is he? Oh. Oh my god. Uh-oh. There's Jeeves. Whoo. Whoo. Nice. If Jeeves was a playable character in Smash, that would have been his death screen. Oh my.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh. And they're off. Will Luigi ever see Bessie again? Oh. Back at home, they finally have milk. Or do they? They had a long adventure. I guess not. Oh my goodness. Good to have them back, man. SMG4 and Kevin. Nice art. Gonna stop right there. So that was SMG4's newly blooper video. Mario goes to the fridge to get a glass of milk. They go on an adventure. Him, Luigi, and Toad go on an adventure to get some more milk. And of course, they went through a long road coming across the cartons. That was very crazy. But anyway, that's still funny to the fullest. I'm still glad that SMG4 is back on the media. Hope you guys enjoy reaction to the fullest. If you did, as always, smack that thumbs up button because we're going to go and subscribe once again to SMG4, the Hobo Bros, and the Awesome Mario. As always, I'm going to have to challenge the usual areas: DCO, description, comments, and the outro. Once again, the SFM project is finally complete, so if you want to catch the SFM very early before this month ends, head to my community tab on my channel page, and of course, go for that mission there. If you guys are new to this YouTube channel, otherwise, make sure to take a minute to subscribe for more content and turn on post notifications. Follow on social media if you like. Also join me on Twitch where I live on Fridays, Saturdays, and of course on the holidays and furthermore. And don't forget as always to share because you care. And with that said, the more to come soon. This is Silverreploid Silly. I love you guys to the fullest, and as always, I'll see Reploids, Mavericks, Maverick Hunters, Sigma, animators. I'm an animator too now, etc. Everyone, in the next video, stay blessed, one and loved, and as always, I will see you guys next time at Detopia. If you haven't already, please make sure to click the bell symbol located by the subscriber count. Just one click away, and boom!
Hi there Reploids, this is Silverreploid CLE. Wanted to take the time to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more content, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow my social media for more updates, and in case you missed it, please check out my previous video or any video displayed, and please give tons of love and support. I look forward to seeing you at the Utopia, my dear Reploids.